Hey everybody, this is the lesson for November 30th, 2021. We are to the last day of November and we're into December tomorrow, beginning of Christmas season. It's a good time of year. Okay, so this lesson is for page 226 and 227. Okay, if you remember back before Thanksgiving, we had done some work together as far as this writing prompt. Okay, so the writing prompt up here is identify two people in this workshop who reacted strongly to President Lincoln's assassination. Write an essay describing their reactions. Okay, so what is this prompt asking you to identify? This prompt is asking me to identify blank. Okay, what is it asking you to identify? Well, it tells you right here, right? Okay, you need to identify two people in this workshop who reacted strongly to President Lincoln's assassination. So you would write that right here. Okay. In addition, I will discuss, I think it would be a good idea to discuss not just two people that reacted strongly, but how did they react strongly. Okay, so how did these people react strongly to Lincoln's death and his assassination? Okay, so first off, they come down here and they pick the character Samuel Cox. Okay, Samuel Cox in the text, tracking an assassin when we read about Booth when he was on the run. So Samuel Cox was the guy who was hiding him from the government. Okay, from the law enforcement. Okay, and it says that he in the text it said he leads the men to a hiding place. Okay, so, and that was in Tracking an Assassin. I know that that's right from a quote right from the book because it has quotations on it. Okay, then over here you put your own words. Helps Booth and Harold avoid being captured. Okay, so that's your own words. Okay, then down here there's another section where it says he vows to help them escape to Virginia. That was also in Tracking an Assassin. Okay, so he wants to help both men escape because he thinks what they did was right. He believed that killing Abraham Lincoln was the right thing to do, so he was hiding them. Okay, that was in your own words. Okay, so once again, excuse me for the yawn. Once again, right here, we have text evidence right from the book. Over here is your words. Okay, now we skip over to 227. All right, you're going to pick your characters. Okay, it could be Elizabeth Keckley, the dressmaker. It could be Dr. Samuel Mudd. It could be Thomas Jones. Okay, anybody that we read about. It could even be the author. I would be okay if you even put the author of Oh Captain, My Captain. Okay, how did he react to it? Okay, and you could use text evidence from that poem. All right, then you will go find stuff right from the book to put in these direct quotes right from the book. And then over here, this is going to be your words. Okay, your own words. Okay. All right. So direct quotes from the book, your words right here. What this tells me, what the text says, or what the book says. Okay. I want you to get those done. Get them turned in. Page 227. We are preparing to do your writing. Okay, and we're going to just jump in and do a 5-paragraph essay where you have your thesis, you have your ideas, your main ideas, you have your details, and you have your ending. Okay, the tide situation again, right? Okay, all right, I'm going to stop it right there. I'll get this uploaded to today's date, and if you're home and need any extra help, please feel free to email me. Thank you.